All right, big day at the Konopelski farm today. We just got 299 chicks delivered today. They're already drinking water, already eating feed. Room temperature right now is 32 degrees Celsius. As the heater kicks in, it should warm up a couple more degrees. Been in and out of the building a lot, so it should recoup its heat. These are white leghorn chicks. Hopefully all of them are female. That's what we ordered. These will be our replacement layer chicks. So our current flock will all be replaced here in a matter of a few months once these ones are ready to go to start laying. We've got fresh water, fresh wood shavings, fresh feed. Everybody seems to be very comfortable and enjoying life. So this will be our new normal for the next several months, looking after these little guys till they're big enough to take care of themselves.